Sister J, just let us talk.
Sister Nicey, let me ask you something. How you find me at? And don't tell me no lie.
I was just in the community and I was telling some young men that they should step into the Lord, and I remember that you live in that community and I started to tell
You
them.
remember when me live, you never come on my yard yet.
Is the young man tell me, Sister J?
Which young man?
They were in a bar in a white marina.
What? White marina? Him tall or in short?
Him short.
In black or in brown?
He's brown.
Him have one kerchief round his neck?
Yes.
Sister Nicey, welcome. I have a story to tell you. You ready? Alright, here it goes. You see from me a little bit of girl? I have problem with weight. This minute me slim, one next minute me fat. So they ever fast with me. But guess what? I learn now for blackout people. You see me? But you see when it come to my sister, may her soul rest in peace. I defend her to the T. As she alone could have do things to draw me out. I there to survive. So I do some questionable things. I never sell my body. I jug a couple weeds and drop who forget drop. I drop who would have dropped me first. No. I dep on a part of redemption.
So you stop drop people now?
Only the one then stand up in the morning.
But Sister J, I'm not in your way.
You sure about that?
Yes.
So why you come on my yard for?
I was only doing field service in the community.
Field service? I reach on my yard? I dig up my pass?
Sister J, I wasn't digging up your pass, I was walking past your yard.
Nice, let me tell you this. I find God. And I find a good man. I want you to love me alone.
Yes, Pastor is a good man. But you're not a good man. You're not good enough for him. Pastor used to admire me.
Where do you say now?
Sister J, why you do that?
What you prefer?
No,
Me do this?
No, Sister J, no.
Nice, let me tell you something. You see, if you make me have to go back to the life where me I come from, you're not gonna like it. And you're not gonna live to tell the tales. Because dead girl tell no tales. And don't send for the devil unless you're ready for God. Hell, lift up out of this. Right!